Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Satish N. Naik, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, Government First Grade College, Sirsi. Now I am going to present a topic on modern government. Program BA, Subject Political Science, Paper 2, 5th semester, Karnataka University, Dharwad, Session 25th. First of all, we move out to salient features of the Japanese Constitution. From 3rd May 1947, the Japanese Constitution came into force. This constitution came into effect on the birthday of Emperor Meiji, that is 1947 May 13, and the features of this constitution are as follows. First of all, written constitution. The Japanese 1947 constitution is in written form and simple. The constitutionally accepted war asceticism record is one of the rarest in the world. In the Japanese constitution, the ideal of the USA constitution and the influence of the German and Persian constitution can be seen. The Japanese constitution upholds the dominance of the people with 11 chapters, 103 articles, simple language, and the preamble. Secondly, the sovereignty of the people. In Japan, people are the source of power. The new constitution put an end to the imperial monarchy and making the monarch a mere symbol of the nation. The people have sovereign authority. The king is the symbol of the country. The National Assembly, that is Diet, representatives of the people. The will of the people is the will of the government. The people are given fundamental rights. The government is a symbol of the people's faith. Based on the above factors, the Japanese constitution has given the people sovereignty, supremacy of the constitution. The constitution is the basic principle of Japan as prescribed in Article 97, 98, 99 of Chapter 10 of the Constitution. Government acts, supreme commandments, government actions must be within the framework of the Constitution. Fundamental rights cannot be violated. The fundamental rights of human beings have been the result of the struggle of the people for centuries, according to Article 97. For that reason is enshrined in the Constitution. Fundamental rights and duties. This is a symbol of people's sovereignty because there is a reference to rights in the Japanese Constitution. 31 articles addressed civil, political rights and duties in the third chapter of the Japanese Constitution from Article 10 to Article 40. The rights are permanent and non infringement, adult suffrage, achievement of political, social, and economic equality, people's freedom, welfare, and respect of the individual are some of the fundamental rights to follow. The following rights were granted by the Constitution with the above intention: right to equality, right to freedom, economic rights, right to property, right to freedom of religion, and right to education. Rigid Constitution. The Japanese Constitution is a rigid constitution. The constitutional amendment is described in Article 96 of the Japanese Constitution as follows. Amendments to this constitution shall be initiated by the Diet through a concurring vote of two-thirds or more of all the members of each house, and shall thereupon be submitted to the people for ratification, which shall require the affirmative vote for a majority at all votes cast thereon, at a social referendum, or at such election as the Diet shall specify. Amendments, when so ratified, shall immediately be promulgated by the Emperor in the name of the people as an integral part of this Constitution. Until 2020, the Constitution was never amended. From time to time, legislative laws and Supreme Court's decisions gave life to the Japanese Constitution. Next, we move on to parliamentary form of government. The parliamentary government system is another feature of the Japanese constitution. There is a different and strange parliamentary system of government in this country. The emperor does not have much authority here, not even the duties of a constitution chief. Appointment of the prime minister and ministers are due to the dissolution of legislation. A symbol of the unity of the Japanese people, it is the status of the emperor is the will of the people. Executive authority lies in the ministry, which is the responsibility of the legislature. The head of the cabinet is the prime minister. Most members of the cabinet and prime minister must be the member of the legislature. The appointment of the prime minister by the legislators, the resignation of the prime minister is the resignation of the cabinet according to Article 70. Resignation of the government if the House of Representatives passes the no confidence motion. These are some of the hallmarks of the parliamentary government. Now we move on to the MCQs. How many chapters are there in the Japanese constitution? Option B, 11 chapters. In which chapter of the Constitution of Japan is the reference to fundamental rights? Option C, that is third chapter. How much parliamentary majority is needed to amend the Japanese constitution? Two-third majority, option A. How many times has the Japanese constitution been amended? Option C, 0. Reference books are concerned. The Constitution of Japan, a contextual analysis by Shingenari Matsui. Introduction to Japanese Politics, 6th edition by Louis D. Hayes. The State and Politics in Japan by I. Anieri. The Political History of Modern Japan by Ketoka Shinichi, translated by Robert Eldridge and Graham Leonard. International Organization or Modern Governments by Professor N. B. Patil and Professor G. B. Shilavantar.